friends, welcome to another episode of SMARTDrive. This is your host Vishwajit. In today's episode, we are going to discuss some serious matter which is very crucial for your life saving techniques. So, in this episode, we are going to discuss some mishazard happened recently in ciaz. The ciaz car caught fire with the minute sparks available, but things present in the car cabin made it a havoc. So, how you can save your life in such situations, that is my point. So this video is regarding the safety of the passengers as well as the driver. Please watch this video till end, so you will get all the information which will save your life. So first and foremost point, all the cars are electronically controlled. How that happens, I will let you know. When you are pressing any button from your FOB key, let's check this scenario. The car is switched off right now and I am sitting inside the car. When I am pressing this button, you will hear the sound of unlocking. You will find it locked once again. This is happening with the one click. So there is a simple mechanism which is already installed in the car, and you will find all the electronically controlled locks operating at same instance when you're pressing this button. So this is completely electronically enabled car. So whenever you're going in the panic situation, some wires shorting together will disable all these functions at the same time. And this is happening in the incidents when you're going to open this car. This is currently unlocked. When you're going to lock it, you will find it is not getting locked. So this is electronically controlled car. You can check this thing. Car is unlocking itself. So this is the control mechanism available inside the car. You are using it every day, but right now it is a main danger for you. So now you can't open this door with this simple lock. As you can clearly see, I'm unlocking this car, but you will hear no unlocking sound from this main lock. So this is electronically controlled button only. This is not a complete lock mechanism. So what is happening right now here is, if a fire is there in the cabin and it had made a major damage to your central locking system or a main control unit or any simple wire managing all these controls, you will find that car will not unlock. So this is the first point we need to cover. This is very major issue regarding all the electronically controlled cars. That was my first point. So now let's move to the second point. We have already discussed this electronically controlled doors and door locks. Now seat belt. We all discuss seat belts as a safety point for high speeds or impacts, but during the fire or flooding or any sudden impacts and just locking yourself in the seat belt, after these incidences, the seat belt becomes a big hurdle to move yourself outside the situation. Please note, the seat belt available in every car has a panic lock function. As you can clearly see, I am moving this very easily. No extra sudden force applied on the car or seat belt will make the seat belt move slowly, possibly. When I am doing a rapid rush or instant braking lock mechanism is available, as you can clearly see. In case you are having a panic situation, like I'm suddenly moving somewhere, so this get locks and now I can't move. See, I'm pushing myself forward because I want to reach this glow box, but I can't reach it just because of seat belt. So just relax, get backwards, and you will feel relaxed. Okay, so this is the way you can treat the seat belt. Seat belt is only one-way locking mechanism. Okay, this is locked for forward position. If you are releasing it for backward, it will get unlocked and you can move it freely. So in that situation, if you are feeling that the door is locked, seat belt is locked, and right now you can't reach the glove box where your safety tool is available, so please make yourself relax first, go little behind and then come forward. Okay, so this was the second tip. But sometimes the control pillar available between two doors, which is containing the whole seat belt system console, gets locked. Okay, so you will feel that it is already getting locked. Even if you are releasing it somewhat backwards, it will not get loosened because the control panel available inside this door is getting locked. So what you should do at that time? So I have one proper knife to cut this seat belt. Okay, and the proper position to cut it from taking the edge outwards. Okay, cut it from this side and you will find yourself free from the seat belt position. Okay, so this was the current quick tip. This is the Swiss Army knife. The purchase links are given in the description. It is also having one knob which can be used for window opening. So now we have already passed our first hurdle, that is seat belt, but now we have closed window glass over here. And please note, just like the central locking mechanism, windows are also controlled electronically. So you can't just move the glass downwards by your fingers or any means. So you need to break the glass. There is no alternate option for that. You just need to break the glass. So we have two options. We can go for the main windshield available in front side. So there is a big steering in front of you to get out of this situation. But you have this proper window which is designed to occupy any healthy man or woman from this window. So it is quite convenient to get outside of this window. Please note, this is toughened glass. It is already mentioned over there, this is toughened glass. So there is one main advantage of the toughened glass, that it has a very weak point available in the corners. The second point is that whenever the glass installed in windows or the windshield or the backside, it shatters in granules. Normally you will find proper edges, sharp edges forming after breakage of the glasses. This will not happen with any car glass. So this is quite convenient. Whenever you are breaking this thing, it will shatter like sugar. Okay, and you will not get injured by the glass particles. Okay, so now we have one weak point here, one weak here, and two weak points in the corners. So you have to hit hard with any suitable tool you have. You have to reach your glove box first, get the tool, grab it properly, make sure that your pointed side is away from you towards the glass, and hit it in the corner. Okay, you have to hit the corner. That is the best possible way you can get out of it. Okay, few people are claiming that headrests are the best way to get yourself out of this panic situation. Let me inform you, these are wide. These are not tapered, these are not made to break the glass right now. Even if you are trying very hard, it is not ergonomically designed to get to the corners and break it. So it is quite risky to get your headrest first pointing up here. That will not do the job. You can check it with any glass. It is hard to break any glass from this, even if the toughened side. So these glasses are specially designed for the anti-theft purpose. So this is quite tedious job to break the glass from these headrests. These are completely void pipes. As you can clearly see, these are the stainless steel pipes, not the rod. We are discussing about the rod, proper like hammer which will you will grab it properly in your hand, your sturdiness, the proper ergonomic design. The purchase links are in the description, and make yourself safe. Okay, so this was the quick video regarding this panic situation. So SMARTDrive highly recommend to go and grab that special accessories for your safety. Keep it in the glove box, reach it properly, and get yourself out of this panic situation. This is Vishwajit signing off from SMARTDrive.